Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are taking a look at Vechain today. Welcome back to the channel, I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment and all that good stuff, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, taking a look at the daily time frame here in the local area for Vechain. As I said in yesterday's video, it does look as though we are making some decent bullish market structure for Vechain at the moment, and you can see quite clearly that that is playing out yet again here on the charts. This is the daily time frame, and you can see ever since we came and broke through this key resistance that we've had all year, really, this big descending resistance here from up at the range high at around 3.2 cents there. We've since come all the way down, retested the low at 1.5 cents multiple times. We finally break the resistance, consolidate, extension, consolidate again. We come up, we break through, creating more bullish market structure in this local area, breaking through this previous area here of resistance. We break through, back test the previous level here and get a really nice bounce in this area, a big green daily candle, a few more consolidation candles, and looking like now breaking through this local minor resistance, descending here, one big nice daily candle, and today looking like we're trying to break and continue to the upside for Vechain. I've been saying this for about a week or so now, that we are looking, now that Vechain has come down and really just tested this range low a few times, we'll be looking to target the top of the range again for another retest, especially going into the bullish market conditions that we are probably going to be seeing with Bitcoin, etc. pretty damn soon. So in my opinion, it is pretty likely that we're going to be seeing Vechain heading up to test some of these higher levels that I've been talking about. Obviously, the first port of call for me is the 023 Fibonacci extension, or retracement, whichever way you want to say it, at 2.7 cents. Obviously, this is getting up towards the range high around 3 to 3.3 cents as well. I've said before as well, we really do need to see Vechain getting back up towards its bear market resistance. You can see up here, this is where we've drawn our bear market resistance in, and a lot of cryptos have tested, broken and continued from these, or at the very least are looking like they are setting up or grinding against their resistance by now. A lot of cryptos I've seen are well out of their bear market resistance now and looking like they're consolidating for more upside, whereas Vechain right now is quite clearly still very far away from its bear market resistance, which is currently sitting at the time of recording this video at around 4.2, 4.1 cents in this descending resistance area. So we do need to see ourselves going up towards that 0.38 if we can get above this Fibonacci level here and test the range high. We're probably going to come into a situation where we're grinding against all these resistances here, and we start basically just, you know, pop to the upside and head into the bull market. I do think once we break this, get a little back test back into the range like this, and then get a continuation, we're going to be looking good for Vechain long term. But short term right now, looking like basically it's just chilling out and trying to figure out what's going on. The monthly time frame really is the one that shows you the macro trend of things that you really need to be concerned with, and you can see here really we're looking very similar to this previous bear market scenario. You can see here obviously we came down, tried to bounce, made a lower low, tried to bounce, make a massive lower low, and then finally come out, we break out of this bearish structure here, we come up, we backtest and continue. And I really think that this is a similar prospect now. You can see we come all the way down, everyone thinks the bull market is still going, we come down, we try and bounce, we break lower, we try and bounce, we break lower, we try and bounce, we come down, we make a new swing low just like we did down here, as you can see. And now looking like if we can come up here and break through this area of kind of resistance here and really start to come up to the top of the range, break out of the range, back test and continue, just like we could here, break out of the range that we've clearly got here, back test and continue for the bull market. You can see here something very similar, putting in the range, back test, the breakout, back test and continue for the new bull market. I think it's very possible and quite likely that this will happen for a number of cryptos, provided that they don't completely dissolve into nothingness, which can happen. But I think Vechain has got enough fundamentals behind it that we don't believe that this will probably be the case. So we shall see what happens next. Overall, I'm feeling very intrigued by the prospect of Vechain long term, and I do think it's got the potential to do well. So my local target is that 2.7 cent level at the 0.23 Fibonacci, which I think we'll probably end up getting up towards soon. So as always guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, get involved in the free Discord down below, first link in the description, become a YouTube member, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.